Acid-base titrations. This is the fourth video of this series. We are going to learn this lesson step by step through problems in this series of videos. There's a problem here. Let's discuss it. 40 milliliters of a 0.5 mKo solution is required to neutralize 125 milliliter of a sulfuric acid solution. What's the concentration of the sulfuric acid solution? 40 milliliters of a 0.5 m potassium hydroxide solution is required to neutralize 125 milliliter of a sulfuric acid solution. What's the concentration of the sulfuric acid solution? This is the chemical equation. Potassium hydroxide KOH plus H2SO4. We get K2SO4 plus H2O. This chemical equation is not balanced. First of all, we need to balance this chemical equation. Let's balance it. 2 KOH plus H2SO4. We get K2SO4 plus 2H2O. Now you can see on the left hand side 2 potassium, on the right hand side 2 potassium, on the left hand side 6 oxygens, on the right hand side 6 oxygens, left hand side 4 hydrogens, on the right hand side 4 hydrogens. To solve this problem, we want to find the ratio. That's why we balance this chemical equation. 40 milliliters of a 0.5 mKo solution is required to neutralize 125 milliliter of a sulfuric acid solution. 40 milliliters of a 0.5 m. M means molarity. That means there are 0.5 moles of potassium hydroxide in 1 liter or 1000 milliliters of this potassium hydroxide solution. We use 40 milliliters for this reaction. In 1000 milliliters, so 1 liter there are 0.5 moles of KOH. But in 40 milliliters of this KOH solution, there's less amount of moles of potassium hydroxide. Let's find it. We know the molarity and volume of the KOH solution. Therefore, we can find the number of moles in KOH solution. If we want, we can use the formula of molarity. M equals N divided by V. Otherwise, we can use the following method. In 1000 milliliters, there are 0.5 moles of KOH. Molarity 0.5. That means in 1000 milliliters of this KOH solution, there are 0.5 moles of KOH. Therefore, in 40 milliliters of this KOH solution, how many moles of KOH are there? We can find the answer in this way. 0.5 mole KOH divided by 1000 milliliter KOH multiplied by 40 milliliters KOH. 0.5 mole KOH divided by 1000 milliliter KOH multiplied by 40 milliliters KOH. Units should be cancelled out. Milliliter KOH, milliliter KOH. Then we get 0.02 moles of KOH. In 40 milliliters of this KOH solution, there are 0.02 moles of KOH. This is the balanced chemical equation. According to the balanced chemical equation, you can see to react with 2 moles of KOH, 1 mole of sulfuric acid is required. Now, in that 40 milliliters of potassium hydroxide solution, there are 0.02 moles of KOH. To react with 2 moles of KOH, 1 mole of sulfuric acid is required. Then to react with 0.02 moles of KOH, how many moles of sulfuric acid are required? We can find the answer in this way. 1 mole sulfuric acid divided by 2 mole potassium hydroxide multiplied by 0.02 moles KOH. 1 mole H2SO4 divided by 2 mole KOH multiplied by 0.02 moles KOH. Units should be cancelled out. Mole KOH, mole KOH. Then we get 0.01 moles of sulfuric acid. To react with 0.02 moles of potassium hydroxide, 0.01 moles of sulfuric acid are required. We know 40 milliliters of a 0.5 mKO solution is required to neutralize 125 milliliter of a sulfuric acid solution. That means there are 0.01 mole of sulfuric acid in this 125 milliliters. And 25 milliliters, 0.01 moles of sulfuric acid. Now we want to find concentration. This is the formula for that. Concentration equals number of moles divided by volume. We have found number of moles of sulfuric acid solution 0.1 mole. Volume we have been given 125 milliliters, but when we use this formula, C equals N divided by V, we should take volume in liters. Therefore, we have to divide this 125 milliliters by 1000. Then we can convert it to liters. 125 milliliters divided by 1000, we get 0.125 liters. Now we can get our answer. Concentration C equals 0.08 moles per liters. Concentration 0.08 mole per liters. What's the concentration of the sulfuric acid solution? We found it 0.08 mole per liters. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe our channel. God bless you.